Our next guest is preparing for more market volatility in the new year, but is looking for opportunity in beaten down names with earnings. Says you can expect them to bounce after a tough year, and what a tough year it was. Let's bring in Mike Binger. He's Gradient Investments president. So I sort of answered the question I was going to begin with, which is what is your outlook for 2023 in the market? Since you think it's going to be volatile, okay. Let me phrase the question differently. What part of the year is going to be better for equities, the first half or the second half, and why?
I think the second half, and here's why we're thinking that, and this is what keeps us positive, is there's still a lot of consumers that are working and spending, and the supply chain seems to have fixed itself. So I think inflation will continue to ease throughout the year. A lot of forecasts have 2023 earnings being down. I think a lot of expenses are going to be cut, and they're actually going to be up. That'll be a big positive as people realize that throughout the year. And then finally, sentiment coming into 23 is about as negative as it was positive coming into 22. Mm-hmm. So a lot of the bad news is priced in. It's already expected. So if we get anything incrementally positive, I think that's going to be a big sentiment changer and a big catalyst for the market.
Might go back to Mike Binger, if we might, with a couple of more questions. You say the second half of the year likely to be better than the first half. Let me just, in light of what we're watching down in Washington, is Washington and policy figuring into your investment thesis or your investment strategy at all for 2023, or do you expect Washington will be a non-factor?
No, it's not really factoring into our analysis, especially after the November midterms, because I feel we're in gridlock right now. And in my opinion, the markets like gridlock, corporations like gridlock, because they feel they can plan their businesses out into the future and drive some initiatives, and they don't have to worry about regulation or government getting in their way. So no.
Yeah, I think I agree with you by the way, not that matters what I think. I think there'll be a lot more investigating than legislating. Michael Binger, we owe you one. Thanks for being patient with us there as we went to breaking news. We do appreciate it.